clean as a whistle. That's Hoover Clean. Now your home clean as a whistle with the Hoover Shampoo Polisher. It's 3 appliances in one. Hoover Shampoo Polisher scrubs your floors, polishes your floors, and shampoos your carpets as well. Clean as a whistle. That's Hoover Clean with a Hoover Polisher. Your choice of 2 models from 27 guineas, even less with a trade-in.